US President Donald Trump has named 6 Indian American corporate leaders, including Sundar Pichai from Google, Satya Nadella from Microsoft, to his Great American Economic Revival industry groups formed to revive the American economy ravaged by the coronavirus pandemic. Trump has roped in over 200 top American leaders from various industries and sections to create nearly a dozen and a half different groups who will advise him and offer recommendations on how to revive the American economy, which has hit an unprecedented ebb in just a few weeks due to the deadly coronavirus. They are the names that are, I think, the best and the smartest and the brightest, and they are going to give some ideas, Trump told his reporters at his daily White House news conference on coronavirus on Tuesday. In addition to Sundar Pichai and Satya Nadella, the president has named IBM's Arvind Krishna and Micron's Sanjay Mehrotra to the tech group. Other members of the group are Apple's Tim Cook, Oracle's Larry Ellison, and Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg. Indian American Ann Mukherjee from Pernod Ricard has been named to the manufacturing group, which among others include Caterpillar's Jim Umpleby, Tesla's Elon Musk, Fiat Chrysler's Mike Manley, Ford's Bill Ford, and General's Mary Barra. Ajay Bangra from MasterCard has been named to the financial services group along with Al Kelly from Visa, Blackstone's Stephen Schwarzman, Fidelity's Investments Abigail Johnson, and Intuit's Sasan Goodarzi. The various groups created by Trump are agriculture, banking, construction, work, labor, workforce, defense, energy, financial services, food and beverages, healthcare, hospitality, manufacturing, real estate, retail, tech, telecommunication, transportation, sports, and thought leaders. These bipartisan groups of American leaders will work together with the White House to chart the path forward toward a future of unparalleled American prosperity, the White House said. The health and wealth of America is primary goal, and these groups will produce a more independent, self-sufficient, and resilient nation, the White House said in the statement. The global economy will this year likely suffer the worst financial crisis since the Great Depression, the International Monetary Fund warned on Tuesday, as governments worldwide grapple with the COVID-19 pandemic. With schools and businesses shut, the measures to slow the spread of the disease have taken a painful toll on the economy. The coronavirus death toll in the United States crossed 35,000 till date. As of Friday, more than 677,000 Americans has tested positive for the novel coronavirus, more than the other top 3 countries taken together, according to Johns Hopkins University. Globally, more than 146,000 people have been died and nearly 2 million people have been infected by the novel coronavirus. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.